शिक्षा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करें।
Hello everyone, I am Animesh Shah, presently studying in first year in IIM Raipur. So today I will be telling about my college IIM Raipur. As you must be knowing, IIM Raipur is a second generation college, and recently we are in 10th year of our college, and college has recently moved to its new campus in Naya Raipur. The college is very well connected with airport. The Swami Vivekananda International Airport is very close to the college and is hardly 20 kilometers. So the college is very well connected with all the mediums, be it airways or railways. So it's in a good location, and it has been 10 years to our college, so we have built a sufficient good alumni base. A lot of our alumni are in very good companies. So friends, as you must be knowing, IIM Raipur is an institute of national importance, and we have students from across the geographies and across different locations. IIM Raipur celebrates all the occasions, be it Pongal, be it any Onam. So we celebrate all the festivals. We have students from north, east, south, and all the locations of the country. Coming in terms of work experience, an average work experience age is 26 months, and we have students across different domains and different industries like manufacturing, IT, and we have a good proportion of girls and boys as well. So we believe in gender diversity and inclusion, and we are working to improve it further. Apart from academics, IIM Raipur also believes in holistic development of an individual. So we have lots of facilities for recreation. We have a world-class sports complex which has facilities for gymming, for table tennis, for tennis, badminton, and also swimming pool. We also have a world-class library with a good collection of journals and books, and it also has Bloomberg terminals for finance students. And since we have also shifted to a new campus, we have very good hostel facilities. We have individual rooms with connected bathrooms in it, and overall there is a very good ecosystem for an individual to thrive and grow his personality. We also have other facilities like DMart for meeting your daily needs. We have an Amul Parlor, which is a common hangout place for most of the students to hang out. We also have laundry services, which meets our daily requirements, and there are a lot of other activities that are bound to come up in future, and the infrastructure is set to go. So IIM Raipur is a place that you can vouch for in the future. IIM Raipur prepares you for corporate experience and corporate exposure, and it is known for its discipline. So we have a formal dress code. We are supposed to wear classroom formals in the classroom, and we have to abide by the rules and regulations of the game. But at the same time, it also provides you freedom to explore yourself, and it gives adequate space, and it balances out in terms of work life as well as in terms of maintaining the discipline. IIM Raipur is always bubbling with energy. We have 13 clubs which are conducting events throughout the year, and there is a competitive spirit amongst the students to participate in those events. We celebrate all the cultural festivals, be it from north, south, west or east. We also celebrate a lot of government events conducted by Ministry of HRD, and it is always bubbling with energy. We always look forward to something. We also participate in events from other colleges. We have an annual management fest and annual cultural fest, which is looked upon by colleges from other IIMs and other colleges as well, and we have a good footfall expected in the next cultural fest as well. IIM Raipur believes in cross-learning and providing global exposure to students. We have ties with many European colleges in France, Germany and other countries in Europe, and many students from other countries also visit to our campus. Recently we have had exchange program in which four students from European countries like France and Germany have come to our campus, and it's a very good experience to learn from their experiences and their culture, and they also get to learn from us. And our students also go in exchange programs in the 6th semester of the college. IIM Raipur has rigorous security measures. We have total surveillance by cameras. All the hostels are guarded by professional guards. We have our timings, and it is a complete safe place for learning. And talking about ragging measures, it's a completely anti-ragging campus, and actually seniors are a great source of learning and knowing the tricks of the game. So we have a very good relation between seniors and juniors, and it is a completely ragging-free campus. One of the lesser known fact about IIM Raipur is that we have a PGDM course for executive employees. We have a special type program with Vedanta Lanjigar. Talking about pros and cons of the college, one con that I would like to tell is that since the college is located in Naya Raipur, which is slightly off the city, we do not have lot of eateries to explore, so it is not a very good place for a foodie to explore. But there are a lot of cons attached to it. Being in Raipur and well connected with airport, we have very good corporate relations. We have successfully conducted leadership summit, and we recently concluded a HR summit in which we got to learn from leaders from across the industries. And we regularly have cross learning experiences from leaders coming from various industries, and it is a very good experience to learn from corporate masters directly. We also have a very good curriculum and pedagogy in which we get to learn from case-based classroom discussions, which are Harvard cases, which are very good in their academic excellence. It is a very good place to prosper and learn because we have experiences coming from different countries, different geographies. So I would definitely recommend you coming to IIM Raipur, and I would be very glad to meet you in the next semester. Thank you.
I am Garima Rathod, student of IIM Raipur. A typical day at IIM Raipur starts with the regular classrooms from morning 9 or 9:30. The classrooms are pretty nice and the classroom experience is quite good. After that we have our break, and when the classes are over we are generally engaged in activities like club events, club activities. We are ourselves part of various clubs, so we organize events as well. Then we find time to socialize, we find time to play some sports, etc. Regarding admission procedure, it was quite smooth, not hectic at all. The admission committee here is very supportive. Not only did they make our admission process smooth, but they also organize various onboarding sessions so that we are able to gel in with the crowd and lifestyle here. The overall classroom experience here is quite different from what we have been experiencing previously. Not only exams are conducted or we are assessed based on our theory papers, but also we are given various assignments, group projects, so ensuring overall development of us. So typically outside classroom, we are engaged in various activities like national level competitions, guest lectures, various guest faculties visits, various academic and non-academic activities basically. So it is overall a very great experience, a very enriching and very learning experience.